The Enhanced Construction Program allows high school students in grade 11 or grade 12 to advance their careers if they want to be in construction, drywall, or general carpentry.
I think the skilled trades is a good career path because it's very open. There's always a lot of flexibility. There's hundreds of jobs you can do. You can do scaffolding, construction, road work, carpenter, electrician. You can do everything you want.
Students in this program are automatically enrolled into SHSM in construction, which allows some extra some certifications. However, here we go above and beyond on certifications, all stuff that would make them more employable to any of the tradespeople. Upon successful completion, they get a paid co-op.
The skills that we're learning are teamwork, a lot of it, because you're always working with other people, collaboration, and just having the drive to want to do something and come here every day. I do think also that it does set students up for success. They are really flexible and they do help you out a lot. I'm soon going to be getting my co-op placement and they are helping me with that. You don't have to just find it on your own. You get other people to help you if you need help.
So any student in Thames Valley District School Board who is on track to graduate can apply for the program.
If someone really wanted to apply to this, they should. It's a good way, it's a good skill to learn. You have it for the rest of your life. It never hurts to always learn something new.